you think these two words are similar, or is there any difference between these two words, inspire and motivate? Similar, according to you, similar? They are different. What is the difference? What is the difference? Yes, Vanshika, Shubhangi, Mehak, Yamini, now tell me, Vibhav, Ayush, Parmar, Kritik, what is the difference between these two words? Motivate and inspire. What is the difference?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, very good, Kritik.
Yes, ma'am. Motivate means that we.
Don't make a noise.
I continue in Hindi.
Okay.
How can I continue in Hindi?
Okay.
मीन्स होता है कि हम किसी को मोटिवेट कर रहे हैं कि नहीं तुम ये काम कर सकते हो, और इंस्पायर का मीन ये होता है कि हम किसी को बोल रहे हैं कि हम किसी को देख के इंस्पायर हो रहे हैं कि वो भी कर रहे तो हम भी कर सकते हैं इस चीज को.
Your answer is not translate this into English. Your answer is correct. Okay, there is difference between inspire and motivate. Inspire comes from internal. Okay, internal feeling, that is called inspire. और बाहर से आपको कोई एनकरेज कर रहा है, पुश कर रहा है, यू शुड डू, यू कैन डू, मीन्स आपको बाहर से कोई पुश कर रहा है, दैट इज मोटिवेट. किसी को मोटिवेट करना है, यस यू कैन स्टैंड फर्स्ट इन द क्लास, यू कैन स्कोर गुड मार्क, हम किसी को पुश कर रहे हैं, दैट इज मोटिवेट. लेकिन इंस्पायर क्या होता है, विच कम्स फ्रॉम इंटरनल. मेरी सपोज मेरी जॉब नहीं और मैं अनएम्प्लॉयड हूँ, स्टिल आई एम नॉट गिविंग अप. अब मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, आई एम नॉट गिविंग अप, और फिर भी मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि नहीं, आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट, और मैं अंदर से इंटरनल फीलिंग है कि दैट इज कॉल्ड इंस्पायर. जो अंदर से इंटरनल फीलिंग वो इंस्पायर, और जब आपको थर्ड पर्सन मोटिवेट करता है कि ऐसा करो, दैट इज कॉल्ड मोटिवेशन. समझ में आया? मोटिवेशन इज एक्सटर्नल फोर्स and internal force, that is inspire, प्रेरित होना. and motivate क्या करते हैं, प्रोत्साहित करना. Okay, now this was the difference. Now write down, you are the leader. कर रही है? Okay, you are the leader, and now one of your team members has fallen. Okay, and now he is not continuing, he is not willing to continue his journey. Then how you will inspire him? Okay, write down. अपने अपने फीलिंग्स लिखो. What you will say to inspire? अब वंशपाल पीछे गिर गया, अब he is your friend, आप उसको छोड़ के you can't go ना. Then how you will inspire वंशपाल ऐसे वैसे क्या बोलोगे आप इसको कि वंशपाल फिर से तैयार हो जाए और वंशपाल बोले yes I will go. हाँ, write down. Okay, 5 minutes are with you. After 5 minutes I am going to ask. बाकी मेरे को बोलेंगे ना, मैं आप नहीं बोलोगे, बट लीडर है, सपोज ये समर लीडर है, तुम सभी लीडर हो, सपोज वन इज लीडर, बट आप सभी ने सोचा कि हम लीडर हैं एंड माय टीम मेंबर हैज फॉलन. अब अपने टीम के उसको भी तो लेकर जाना है आपने, अब उसको कैसे एनकरेज करोगे, क्योंकि तो has given up कि मैं नहीं करूंगा, I can't do. लेकिन आपने उसको मोटिवेट करना है. Your chapter is based on this motivation, inspiration. So how you will, Devansh, what you will say? लिखो उसको, write down there. Okay. After 5 minutes, I will answer. This is a very interesting question. Let us see how you will motivate your team member. Give up. Don't give up, okay? Giving up is not an option. Giving up is not a solution. You need to move on. One line you can write, you need to move on. You need to move on. Giving up is not a solution. And now write rest of your words. Let me take screenshots. But you all are team members, you all are leaders, and one of your member has left behind, okay? Now he has fallen. What words, how you will inspire, how you will motivate? You can write, you need to move on. You need to move on. Starting word likho, you need to move on. तुम्हें आगे चलना होगा. You need to move on. Giving up is not a solution. Okay, giving up is not a solution. Okay, now write down your feelings. अब सभी यू आर गोइंग, ठीक है। अच्छा सपोज इन योर क्लास व्हाट हैपेंस कि आपके मार्क्स बहुत अच्छे आए थे, किसी बच्चे के मार्क्स ही है स्कोर्ड लो, तो आप उसको बोलते ना कोई बात नहीं यार अगली बार करना और मेहनत करना, ऐसे करना, ऐसे मोटिवेट करते हो आप किसी को, ठीक है। सेम वे यू हैव टू मोटिवेट दैट मेंबर आल्सो हु हैज फॉलन। गिविंग अप, हार मान लेना इज नॉट अ सॉल्यूशन। गिविंग अप मीन्स गिविंग अप। यस
मैम, सभी से आगे निकल जाना, उसको क्या बोलेंगे इंग्लिश में?
लिसन आई कैन टेल, जो तुम्हें आता है लिखो, जो तुम्हें आता है लिखो। अब उसको सभी से आगे जाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी ही हैज फॉलन, ठीक है। वो चल ले, दैट इज मेन थिंग, थोड़ा सा चल ही ले। You need to move on. Giving up is not a solution. Now write down. Done? How many lines you have written?
6.
6 lines. Okay, very good. Okay, I will ask after 3 minutes.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have.
Okay. Yes, beta. Wait a minute. Get up. Wake up. Get up. Wake up. Wake up तो सोया नहीं है, get up करो। तुम ऐसे बोल सकते, look at others, औरों की तरफ देखो, look at others. They are not thinking of giving up, but still they are moving on because they want to prove something. You should be a person upon everyone. No. Fallen, लिख दो, fallen. But you need to get up. Last line can be this thing. You need to get up. तुम्हें उठना पड़ेगा. You need to get up. Okay. Yes, Parth has written. Yes, Parth, you speak out.
I will inspire my friend.
Mask को थोड़ा नीचे करके जोर से बोलो.
I will inspire my friend. These are mountains calling us to go up and track, and don't give up. And you need to move on the mountain track. You will be doing the track, and you will be fallen from the mountain. No problem. And who want to go the track and get up.
Very good. But one thing you have written कि तुम mountain से गिर गए. One thing you have written है? And you need to get up. Okay, very good, very good. Vanshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vanshika.
Me and my team are going to Mount Everest. We are 15 members going to Mount Everest. I am leader of this team. We are in half of the tour, and suddenly our team member Rahul had fallen. He said, "I can't go." Then I said, "Rahul, don't give up. You can do it. You have to move on. Give a better experience. Giving up is not a solution." Then he said, "I can't give up. I have to move on." Then he moved, and our tour gets successful.
Okay, okay. Okay, Vanshika, good. Yeah, Mini.
Yes, ma'am. I will inspire him by telling him that if you will stop here, you will not able to get success. Your hard work will be in vain. If you will stop here and we will go, you will be depressed. Giving up is not a solution. You need to move on. Problems will come in way of success, but that cannot mean to give up. You should move on. You need to give up.
Okay, very good. Okay, now you can write one more line. Be the person. अब तुम्हें उसको inspire करना means you have to feel उसको encourage इस तरह से करना है. Be the person upon whom you should proud of. ऐसे तुम ऐसे words बोलोगे तभी उसको जोश आएगा ना उसको. Be the person. ऐसा आप नहीं बोलो. Be the person whom you should be proud of. जिसके ऊपर तुम्हें proud हो, गर्व हो. Be the person. What do you? Okay, Yamini. Okay, now. Anyone else? Yes, Devansh.
Ma'am, can I?
इतना मत लिखो. Suppose I सिर्फ start कर दो. You need to move on. You need to give up. ऐसा start करो. पूरा लिखा है. चलो बोलो इसको. Read out.
So I am the leader of 4 groups that we all moving from far, moving to a mountain, faster. But friend get falling down. Then I go to him to encourage it to move on up. It not us for us. Giving up is not a solution. So get up and you should do it.
Get up and you should do it. Ending में तुम लिख सकते हो you need to get up. तुमको उठना होगा. You need to get up. Shanshi, you have come. Go to that room where other students are attending class. Huh? Go to that. You can put your bag here. Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. One student is standing in the class. Wait a minute. A student's turn is going on in the class.
I motivate you need more giving up not a solution. You should not give up. Look at others, they also give up, but they are not showing and they are also going to the top of the average. Get up and go to the top of the peak. You should do it. Don't give up. I promise you.
ओके ओके वेरी गुड. हाँ, ऐसे तुम्हें वर्ड्स यूज कर रहे हैं कि दूसरा शुड बी मोटिवेट. आप क्या बोलोगे? डोंट यू थिंक अदर पर्सन्स आर आल्सो other person also want to give up, but still they are moving inch by inch. Still they are moving. कि दूसरे भी they also want to quit, but still they are moving. फिर भी वो move कर रहे हैं. Means ऐसे words करो कि उसमें जोश आ जाए. ठीक है? नहीं तो वंश में पीछे रह गए. then what you will do? अकेले जाकर आप लोग क्या करोगे? तो आपको इसको करना है, इसको बूस्ट करना है. तो तुम क्या बोलोगे? Don't you think Ananya Dogra will say, don't you think Devansh also wants to quit? But still he is moving inch by inch and scaling new height. So you need to get up. Okay. Now, yes, Kritik.
Yes, ma'am. Answer. Hey, I'm the leader of a mountain expedition to the Everest. In my team,
Others are also moving.
If someone has fallen in the way and saying that I can't continue, so in that situation, I motivate him with such lines that why are you giving up? Why are you losing your self-confidence? Why, man, you need to move. The I doesn't do that. This life is not better for anyone. You didn't have to give up in any phase of the life. Someone says or not say, but I say that if you have a person for you that motivate you, so you have to motivate it yourself. Be self-confident. See, the other person is also facing such a situation before you, but they are also continuing their journey. So why you your confidence? You have to continue your journey. Be self-confident. Then we start our journey.
Oh, okay. Good, beta. Listen, you need not to write the dialogues that I am leader and one has fallen. It is already given in the questioning. You just start your dialogues. Okay. You can just start your dialogues. Okay. Good, beta. Okay. Now, Vanshpal.
Stand up, stand up. I am leader.
Wait a minute. Vanshpal is saying, wait a minute.
I am leader, get up. You need to move on. Giving up is not a solution. Get up. We go in mountains. So you go forward. Don't worry. Get up. We go slowly.
And slowly, we will reach.
But you get up. You was very strong person. You need to get up. Others are also moving.
Okay, Vanshpal, good, but one more thing. You was is not there. Okay, you were. You के साथ we use were. Okay, जहाँ where you have written was, cut it and write down were. And Kritik, one you have written that I does. Okay, I does. It is not a proper word. I do is used. Okay, I don't. It will not be correct. I don't. And you, yes, take it. Yes, now, beta जल्दी करो. Akshit 1722. Akshit,
Yes, ma'am.
Akshit 722.
Ma'am, you need to move. Ma'am, on giving up is not an admission. Be the person who you will the proud of yours, thinking that it is better than you should stop now and go back and you know that you have very easily so but is not it but you enjoyed look and another thing they are not ready to give up but they are still
Still
moving
moving.
in your but to go not only yourself but also be example.
Oh, okay, very good, very good. Okay, now this Ananya Dogra, now you tell. Low down your mask because voice is not audible.
I inspire my friend and motivate his life. Don't give up. Giving up is not solution. Move on, my friend. I go to see at the peak of mountain. When you reach on mountain, it's a big achievement. When you reach top of the mountain, your name also now whole of the country. Don't give up. You best. You is the best. Please move on to the track of success.
Okay, good, good. Samar, but I'm moving to the next question. Parth has told. Okay, Samar, only you are left. Okay, Akshay Chaudhary. Akshay Chaudhary, may I have the privilege of listening you, of hearing
Yes, ma'am.
you? Akshay Chaudhary.
Yes, ma'am.
Would you like? Wait a minute, Akshay Chaudhary, would you like to say some words on this question? Question number 14. Have you done or not? Okay, students, I think this question is clear to you. Shall we move to next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody who wants to speak and who has written this question number 14 and he wants that his turn should be there, then he or she can raise his or her hand.
I can.
Akshay, the Ananya, 2800. Okay, Ananya. Ananya.
Yes, we are. Yes, ma'am. We are going to mountains. I am a leader of the team. One of the member of team was very slow. I said to her, "You need to move on. Giving up is not a solution. So come fast."
Okay, okay. Now who is this?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay. Mac 1058 is there?
Yes, ma'am. When my
Yes.
when my team member has fallen away behind and I motivating my member like you can do it and you didn't give up. You see that one day I fall down and I didn't give up and my hand start bleeding. But I didn't see my hand and I didn't give up. So why you were giving up? So go and you go first of all other people and say all the people that I didn't give up.
Okay, okay, good, better. Now, this question you will do it yourself. I will send it your this note stamp. But if you have written, then don't erase it. Okay, your answers are correct. Now move to question number 15. Divyanshi Kashyap 1217. Please,
Yes.
read out this question. Who has said? Srishti? Okay, Srishti. Srishti?
We are going to Mount Everest. We are 15 members in our team and I am the leader of the team. One of the members of our team fallen down and he asking that I will not want to walk away. Then I force him that you are a strong person and you don't want to never give up. See other persons are also they are also going away. See him and you also do like that.
Okay, very good, and very good, Srishti. Okay, now, beta, main thing is that you speak in the class. Okay, main thing is that if your answer is incorrect, it doesn't matter. But main thing is that you are trying to speak in the class. That is the main thing. Divyanshi Kashyap was supposed to speak. Your turn will come. Wait a minute. Divyanshi Kashyap, 1217. Next question. Question number 15.
You are a student who has just heard this speech. What are the thoughts that come to your mind? Discuss your point in the class.
Okay, जिसकी turn नहीं आई है, first I will take their turns. Okay. Now, Divyanshi, what we have to do in this question?
Ma'am, we have heard the speech, and by hearing the speech, what thoughts are coming in our mind? We have to discuss that.
Okay, suppose you are the same person who has left behind. Okay, you are the same person who has left behind, and why you are exchanging your books? Ananya, go to this side. Go to this side. आराम से अपना करो, ठीक है? एक दूसरे से नहीं देखना. पार्थ का इससे कितना इंटेलिजेंट है, कैसे ये सारा काम करता है? हाँ, तो बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है. Okay, now in this question, listen. Next question. In this question, suppose the team member, okay, suppose that team member who has left behind is a student and who has just heard the speech of Margaret Atwood. Okay, Margaret Atwood delivered her speech, and you are the student, you are the member of that expedition. Okay, and you are the one who has left behind, but you have heard the speech. Okay, now what are the thoughts that come to your mind, and discuss your points in the class? Okay, you are the same person who has left behind, and you are the same person who has just heard Margaret Atwood speech. तब तुम्हारी क्या मन में thoughts आएगी? Because you are left behind. अब उसमें तो था कि team leader ने inspired you and motivated you. Okay, but in this question, nobody is going to motivate you, but you are the one person who has left behind and who has heard the speech. Now, how you will inspire yourself? What thoughts will come to your mind? That thing you have to write. Got the answer? Got understand?
Yes, ma'am. That's all.
Okay. Okay, now start writing. I will ask after 4 minutes. Okay. Imagine, आपने क्या सोचना है कि you are the same person, okay? आप student हो, आपने you have heard the speech and you are going, फिर तुम समझ लो कि तुम mountain trekking पर चले गए, and you are the same person जो पीछे रह गए, ठीक है? हाँ, but in this question, your leader inspired you, ना? But in this question, nobody is going to inspire you. You yourself has to inspire, okay? What thoughts will come to your mind? आपने speech सुनी है उसकी, आप पीछे रह गए हो, then what you will write? अब आप पीछे रह गए हो तो आप क्या करोगे, क्या लिखोगे? What thoughts will come to your mind? You have to write up that, okay? वो लिखो आप. अब आप क्या लिखोगे? If I have heard the speech, then क्या करोगे? I would get up and muster all my strength, okay? अपनी strength खुद करोगी, फिर तुम क्या? What you will think? It wouldn't remember कि मैं पीछे रह गया. अब एक जानना. गिरे और उठ पड़े. Yes, Yamini and Akshit have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, Yamini, speak out.
Yes, ma'am. Being a student, I will be motivated from this speech. I got a lesson for my future. If same situation of unemployment come on me, then I will not be depressed. In my way of success, I will not trust on superstitions that stop me in my way of success. I will alter my right attitude towards everything. If I will remain unemployed, I will not get depressed. Even I will feel that I got more time to choose place for my career.
Okay, okay, Yamini, it is correct. But Yamini, in this question, you have to take hints from previous question also. Means you have to think that you have left behind. Okay, then that thoughts you have to write. क्या पीछे रह गए हो? आप don't compare it with some other because student. आप सोचो आप leader हो, आप वो team member जो पीछे रह गया था. Okay, if you are a student, suppose that team member was also a student, okay, and he has heard the speech, लेकिन वो पीछे रह गया. Now अब उसके माइंड में क्या थॉट्स आएंगे, that thing you have to write. जो तुम्हें आ रहा है, write down that, okay.
क्या बोलेंगे? मैं थोड़ी दूर में mountain लोग है.
Mountain top is about to come. Okay, we are about to. मुझे पजल कर दिया. लिखो आप जो तुम्हें आ रहा है. यामिनी got the answer. What you have to do? You have, suppose आप स्टूडेंट हो. Suppose first आप स्टूडेंट हो. आप चले गए, वंशिका और कनिका, अक्षिता, आप सभी मिलकर चले गए माउंटेन, ठीक है, एवरेस्ट पर, माउंटेन एक्सपीडिशन पर. लेकिन यामिनी आप पीछे रह गए, आप गिर गए. पहले don't give up, you should be proud of your करके covered, COWARD. After that अब यामिनी, अब वंशिका ने बोला इसके नखरे रहते हैं, पीछे रहती है जब देखो. अब यामिनी को चढ़ गया गुस्सा. अब यामिनी क्या करेगी, यामिनी सोचेगी अच्छा मुझे ऐसे बोल दिया. अब यामिनी ने वो स्पीच सुनी है मार्केट एटवुड की. अब यामिनी खुद इंस्पायर होगी. Okay, that thoughts you have to.
If I hear the and up and complete myself that I am not meet for quitting.
Okay, okay, good. आप क्या लिखोगे, राइट डाउन बेटा. आप क्या लिखोगे, it doesn't matter if I am left behind, okay, but I would try, I will try, I would try to reach. No matters if I am last in the trekking, okay, but main thing is that I have not given up, and I didn't give up, and I continued my journey. Okay, ऐसे लिखोगे. In the last it will be like this. Parth has done. Okay, Parth, speak out.
I will fall from the mountains. I will try to get up and move to the track. The track is very.
But I have in previous question this thing you have written, I have fallen from mountain. But पहाड़ से गिर गए, that I don't think you will be left behind. I think you will die. तुम पहाड़ से सीधे नीचे गिर गए, है ना. But don't write this thing. You write down this thing. If I am left behind, okay. If I am left behind, मैं पीछे रह गया, क्योंकि माउंटेन से गिर गए तो बहुत स्ट्रेंज सर्कमस्टांसेस विल कम, बट मेन आप पीछे रह गए. ये सारी निकल गई टीम आ गई, आप पीछे रह गए. ठीक है, ऐसे लिखो. इफ आई एम लेफ्ट बिहाइंड.
If I am left behind, I will try to get up and I will try to get up and move on the track. The track is difficult, but I will try to complete my track. It will be time to go to the mountain. I will show my friend I will not proud. And when I will touch the peak, my friend see me how will he do it. The track is very difficult.
Okay, okay, very good. You will write in the last, and you will write like this. It doesn't matter that I am left behind and I am leaving. It matters, and I managed to reach the end. Okay. These should be your ending lines. That okay, this thing should be written. And in the middle, thoughts that are coming to you. Raise her hand. Yes, yes. Wait a minute, beta. Let me take turns of some students who have not given their answers. Anandi 1033. Anandi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anandi. What you have written?
मैम मैंने अभी तक नहीं लिखा, पापा को फोन आ गया था ना, पापा ले गए थे फोन अभी।
A previous question, question number 14. That question you have
Yes,
done or
ma'am.
not? Okay, speak out that question. Question number 14. If you have done, then speak out.
When we go to the mountain, you need to wake up all the us to go.
No, don't make a noise.
You are called.
Okay, okay, Anandi.
We got to mountain. You need to wake up. All of us are going to mountain, or you have fall down. You need to getting up and
Nothing was audible. Now listen to me. This question number 14 and question number 15, your page 25 and 26.